Alright guys, so my module has been programmed and it's finally working now. I'm using it with my factory remote and I'm going to show you guys how it works. So first you lock the car, and there's the security zone, then you hit lock 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It just unlocked itself and it's just about to start. There. And it relocks itself back so all the doors are locked. However, since I did a bypass, I can actually unlock my doors while the car is running. Like with the original Honda remote starters, you have to turn the car off, then unlock the car, then restart it and get in the car and turn it back on. Whereas with my case, I can actually do it while the car is running with the remote. I can lock and unlock my remotes. I think something flashes. No, the lights just flash when I do that. There it is. Car's running. And if I hit the brakes down there, it's going to turn itself off. Car just turned off and the door's unlocked. That's it. Now I'm going to start putting the car back together. So this piece here would go first, then the top piece, and then this panel here, and then the kick panel, and then the side panel. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I am done installing. It took about like 2 hours, so you're gonna need at least 2 hours of your work. That's if you wire everything and get all the wires repaired and know where everything's going beforehand. I did that last night, and then it took me 2 hours to put it in today.